Claudio Pancolini, and I founded this company in 1972 with a deep commitment to develop and produce high-efficiency burners with a low environmental impact, using gas as fuel. After almost 50 years, many things have changed, namely the technologies and the technical solution, but the will to discover new systems to improve the production of burners. More and more, efficiency and environment friendly is stronger than ever. The great results achieved are a result of the daily commitment of the people cooperating with me, employers, technical staff, and of my sons, Riccardo and Filippo, who work with me in the company.
Since it was founded, the philosophy of CIB Unigas in the production of burners has always been to achieve the optimal ratio between the utmost reduction of pollutants and the greatest yield of heat. Today, CIB Unigas, still owned by the Pancolini family, produces as many as 800 models of burners for domestic and industrial use, which can operate on any type of fuel, gaseous, liquid and solid, with power varying from 20 kilowatts to 80,000 kilowatts, depending on the client's requirements.
In addition to the traditional burners, we have seen a continued growth in the request of special burners over the years. These burners are designed to meet the customer's specification in every detail and also to comply with the current legislation. They are almost always high or very high power burners with a performance to match that are used in a heat generation plant for industrial processes. We are capable of meeting the high demands of the market while safeguarding the integrity of the Made in Italy product. The company head office and R&D department are in Italy, but we have a worldwide efficient network of technicians, sales and support.
The corporate structure of CIB Unigas in Italy is made up of the headquarters in Padua, a subsidiary company in Milan for the production of special burners, and 3 factories with technical and commercial departments in Great Britain, Russia, and China. More than 200 people work for the group, most at the Italian headquarters in a heavily industrialized area near Padua. Here, the entire production chain is based, where the various departments assiduously exchange all the information required for the optimal management of the orders. Every day in this factory, designers employ great commitment and skill in devising the best solutions for turning clients' requests into reality. Once the working drawings, specifications and bills of quantities have been defined, the production process is conducted with precision, optimizing the times and resources at all stages, creating 3D prototypes, the processing of metal and structural steel, painting, software analyses, assembly of the mechanical and electrical components, testing. This is where every burner produced is painstakingly tested and screened before being sent for shipping. Every aspect of the logistics is carefully scrutinized, from the packaging to planning the shipment of the burner to its destination. Spare parts are always available at the warehouse to ensure the burners continue to operate for many years. The company has all the certificates required to be able to ensure full compliance with the current regulations throughout the world. CIB Unigas burners are installed in more than 50 countries by specialist technicians who also conduct the testing of the equipment, wherever it is located. CIB Unigas's technical and commercial network is the outcome of a major organizational program that handles sales, technical consultancy, and the post-sales service. With a truly global footprint, it is divided into areas of expertise. The headquarters in Italy is directly responsible for the technical and commercial management of around 300 sales and assistance outlets. In the Russian Federation, China, and the United Kingdom, the group's companies are operating on the spot, overseeing the retailers and assistance centers through their own personnel. In 50 other countries, CIB Unigas is represented by distributors, mostly under exclusive contracts, supported by a dedicated foreign technical and commercial assistance department at the Italian headquarters. All the technical personnel throughout the world who work with CIB Unigas burners are given appropriate training courses in Italy through the Educational Division, which provides training and refresher courses in the various languages of origin. The most important hub of CIB Unigas is the Research and Development Center. Since the early days of the business, Chairman Claudio Pancalini has made research the crucial factor in the management of the company, and major resources continue to be concentrated in this sector, amounting to around 5% of its turnover every year.
Our technical centers covers an area of about 3,000 square meters, including R&D department, technical design, prototyping, commissioning, management, testing laboratory and technical training school. Every day we are committed to finding new solutions and developing them to increase machine performance, with particular regard to containment levels of pollutant emissions, sound emissions, and energy efficiency optimization. Our research and development department is without doubt one of the largest and most advanced in Europe, within which, in the test laboratory, 16 boilers of various sizes and specifications are engaged in tests up to capacity of 35 MW on all types of fuel. The technical hub employs 30 engineers and technicians who specialize in field of combustion. Careful planning is conducted to ensure strict technological and qualitative standards, making combined use of software applications for structural simulations of fluidodynamics and combustion, and using models rapidly built as prototypes as well as laboratory tests on samples. In recent years, we have developed a completely innovative system that greatly simplifies the commissioning phase by entirely automating the burner adjustment on the plant and ensuring an optimal range of combustion during its entire operation. This system, emblematically called Facile, also enables the environmental and equipment variations that occur during operation to be monitored, autonomously changing the regulation of the actuators in order to always return to optimal combustion conditions without the need for feedback from chimney probes. Facile has already become a reality and now is available in some models of our burners.
CIB Unigas burners can be found in every situation throughout the world where it is important to produce heat. Hospitals, industries, airports, shopping centers, hotels, sports facilities, major residential complexes, refineries, stations, and schools. These are places where it is not always easy to produce heat, and where the certainty of a constant supply in the right quantity means well-being, work, and life.